Here at Lazy Gardens, we are dedicated to making sure that your plants have a safe journey to your door. This means that some of our plants ship what is called bare root. In this video, we are going to explain what bare root shipping is, show you how and why we do it, and what you should do with your plant once you receive it. Bare root shipping refers to a method of packaging and transporting plants where the plant is removed from its pot and its roots are cleaned of soil before being shipped. The main reason we ship bare root is to protect the plant. We are able to carefully package your order by wrapping the plant and roots without soil. The other main reason is to reduce the risk of rotting as we ship year-round. To prepare a plant for shipping, first we remove it from its pot and break up its roots. We brush off as much excess soil as we can from the roots, and then wrap them up to protect them in transit. Before your order arrives, make sure to have these things prepared ahead of time. You will need a pot with drainage. We recommend our small pots for 2.5-inch plants and large pots for 4-inch plants. You will also need a Cactus succulent soil mix with perlite or pumice, gloves, and top dressings if you plan on adding a nice finishing touch. We want to note that your cactus may be discolored, yellow, and slightly soft at the base upon arrival. Do not worry, this is not rot. This is a totally normal part of what is called the corking process, which protects the cactus from water and excess moisture below the soil. The first thing you should do when receiving your plant is to pot it. Here, we are using a pot with a drainage hole and filling it with a Cactus succulent soil mix to provide proper drainage. You want the plant to be deep in soil, standing straight up, and while you fill the soil around it, tap the sides of the pot to settle the soil. We find that top dressings add a nice touch, and are using our brown bean pebbles to cover the soil. Set your new plant in a spot with bright light and do not water for 5 to 7 days. Check that the soil is completely dry, and then thoroughly and evenly water the soil until water is draining out of the bottom of the pot. And there you have it. We hope that this answered any of your questions. Until next time.